Hi guys, today we are going to learn 5 advanced vocabulary with example and how to use in sentence. First word is nexus, means sambandh ya bandhan. Definition of this word: a complicated series of connection between different people or things. For example, there is no nexus between you and me. And second word is explosive, means vispotak ya dhamaka. English means capable of exploding and therefore dangerous. For example, the explosion shook the foundation of the house nearby. Third word is isolate, means alag ya prithak karna. English means to put or keep somebody something separate from other people or things. For example, I tried to isolate the cause of the problem. Fourth word is phase, means charan ya avastha ya sthiti. English means a stage in the development something. For example, somebody says mistake is the first phase of success, but reality is that correction of the mistake is the first phase of success. And last 5 word is aspect, means ummeed hona. English means to feel confident that you will get something from someone. For example, we didn't arrive so soon as we expect. Thanks for watching my video.